All right, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am JR Mr. Eagle Vision. I am the founder of Eagle Vision Productions. All right. At Eagle Vision Productions, we produce stage plays and we produce artist showcase. I'm also a recording artist. I'm a content creator. But what I love most about all of that in this social media space is helping beginners learn how to show up and be everything God has called them to be in the online space. Yes, beginners who know they've been called, beginners that know they want to start to use social media. I've been called to do this. And so I have to be honest, y'all. I am in a space where I've had YouTube for years. Okay. I've had YouTube since YouTube first came out. I'm always that type. I've had TikTok, MySpace, I've had all those things since they first came out. I've had some okay success on YouTube, but now I am truly taking it serious. And I'm going to be posting consistently until I find my audience, until I find those creatives who are ready to start, who are ready to build, who don't care about the numbers, who care about putting in the work, who care about putting in the time and the message. Because when you put the work in, when you put the time in, when you put that message in, somebody is going to need what you have. And so that's where I'm at on this journey. I am starting over on YouTube. I wouldn't say starting over, but I'm starting fresh. I'm excited. Okay. In my next video, I'm going to share with you some of the things that I have done to grow my page some more. So I'm in a like training phase to see what's working, what's not working. Y'all, I've been doing a lot of research. And one of the main things is that they've said so far and that I teach already on social media, you have to have a niche. You have to have a target audience. You have to have those people that need what you have. And so, yes, I'm looking for my small business owners, my small content creators who's new to social media, my Christian content creators who don't know where to start. You want to make money online, you want to build an audience, you may want to create digital products and services. Those are the people I'm looking for. You don't know how to create an ebook, you don't know what a lead magnet is, you don't know what any of these things are, but you know that you are interested in showing up and you're interested in building your brand, and you believe that there is joy in doing this. You believe that there is, let's be real, there's money in this, there's community in this. Those are the people I'm looking for. Okay, why? Because that is me. I'm just like you. Okay, yes, I'm a gospel recording artist, but there has to be, in order for me to get sales, I have to show up and talk about my songs. Yes, I'm a playwright, but in order for people to come to my stage plays, I have to post. Yes, I teach social media, but in order for me to find the people who need what I have to post about it. I have to talk about it. So no matter if I'm getting 0 views, no matter if I'm getting 50 views, and this is for you too, you have to keep showing up. You have to keep pushing, because we know that in due season, when it's your time, God will bless you, and it's not going to be anything anybody can do about it. So I come on to say, I don't care how low the views get. I don't care what the views look like. I'm going to keep on pressing. I'm going to keep on pushing. If this sounds like you, let me know in the comments. Maybe we can do some type of 30-day challenge. Maybe we can do something where we're all showing up together, because I want to build this out as we are doing this together. I don't want y'all to think, oh, he's some big content creator, he's made a lot of money online. Yes, I have, but we're in a new space. Okay, we're going to look at it like this is a new space. Although I know about YouTube, but I'm growing, and I want to see if the things that I'm implementing by finding my niche and talking to you all and maybe getting a mic and getting lightings, I want to see if those things actually work. So if this video came across your page, please, and you're new to social media, you're a beginner, you don't know where to start, but you know you do want to start, please comment, please subscribe, please let me know, please ask any questions you may have, and we're going to do this thing together. Again, I am JR Mr. Eagle Vision. I'm so glad that you have found my page, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.